In today's video, I'll show you how you can add an edge glitch transition in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to go here into your Premiere Pro project, and we have our sample videos right here. So to add this is that first we need an adjustment layer. So to do that is that we need to go here into the project panel where you can see all the clips, and then right click on the empty space and then go here into new item. So when you right click, you should have this menu right here. Go into new item, add an adjustment layer, and click on OK. And then you should find this at the very bottom. And if you can't do that for some reason, you can just expand this right here, and then you'd have this button right here, new item, and then you can just go for adjustment layer here again. And now that we have the adjustment layer, we just simply need to drag it. So just drag it into your timeline just like so. And then right click on the adjustment layer and go into speed and duration and set the duration into 1 frame and click on OK. So now we have it right here. And we would want to put this right here at the middle right here and another one at the other side. And what I like to do about this is that I'll leave 1 frame allowance right there between these two. And same goes for the other right here. So there it is. So this is the arrangement that I recommend. Now we just need to add the effects. So now go here into the effects tab, and then you would want to find edges first, which is this effect right here. Drag it into the adjustment layer, and then next is VR glow. And then you want to drag it here into the adjustment layer again. And then you should have something like this. Now to tweak it in the settings is that you want to go for find edges right here under effect controls. And now from here is that you would want to click here on invert button. And you want to set this to 0. And then next is the VR glow. So you basically would want to set it into 0. And next is that you would want to go for the glow radius, which is 1, and then glow brightness is 2. And then after that is that you can now go and copy the VR glow and find edges, and then you want to click on copy there, and then go into the other 3 adjustment layers right there, paste it, and then you should have a similar effect. And then when you play it, and now the result should look like this. So that's it for the Edge Glow tutorial here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.